Have you ever wondered what happens every second in the universe? Time, as we understand it here on Earth, takes on a different meaning when we look out into the cosmos. Our planet's rotation gives us our 24-hour day, but in the grand clockwork of the universe, there is no such standard. Instead, the cosmic clock ticks to the rhythm of stars being born and dying, galaxies spinning, and black holes devouring everything in their path. Each second brings a flurry of activity that is both awe-inspiring and humbling. The universe is a dynamic, ever-changing entity, ceaselessly evolving and redefining itself. And while these cosmic happenings may seem distant and detached from our daily lives, they're unfolding right now, even as you hear these words. Every second, the universe reshapes itself in ways we can barely begin to comprehend. So what exactly happens in a single second in this vast universe? To truly comprehend the magnitude of events, we need to dive into the surprising realities of our cosmos. Every tick of the cosmic clock carries a symphony of celestial events. Among these, one particularly astonishing happening stands out. Every second, the universe welcomes the birth of approximately 4,000 stars. Now, let's pause and ponder. That's 4,000 new celestial bodies, each with its own potential solar systems, each with its own potential for life. Every second, the universe expands not just in space, but in potential, in possibility. But how does this extraordinary process occur? Let's dive into the birth of a star. It all begins with a colossal cloud of gas and dust, known as a nebula. These nebulae are the nurseries of stars, cradling the raw materials needed for star formation. Within these cosmic clouds, regions of higher density start to form under the influence of gravity, triggering the initial stages of a star's life. As these dense regions continue to collapse under their own weight, they heat up and form what we call a protostar. This is the embryo of a star, a hot, dense core at the heart of a spinning cloud of gas and dust. As the protostar continues to develop, its temperature and pressure rise until they reach a critical point. This is when the magic happens. The extreme conditions ignite the process of nuclear fusion, and a star is born. This process of fusion is what powers a star throughout its lifetime, radiating energy into the universe and creating the light we see in our night sky. So every second, 4,000 of these nebulae across the universe reach that magical moment of star birth. Each star, a new point of light, a new possibility in the vast cosmic sea. Isn't it fascinating to think about the birth of 4,000 new stars while we're just blinking? You might be thinking, what does this have to do with me? Well, my dear listeners, these cosmic events are not just happening in some far-off, disconnected reality. We're part of this grand cosmic dance. Every star that twinkles in the night sky, every supernova that releases a burst of energy, they are all connected to us in ways we are just beginning to understand. The energy produced by stars, for instance, affects our planet and everything on it. This energy fuels life, drives climate, and shapes our environment. Our very existence, our evolution, has been guided by these cosmic forces. In understanding these processes, we don't just learn about far-off galaxies and distant stars. No, we learn about ourselves. We learn about our place in this vast universe, our connection to these celestial bodies, and the cosmic energy that binds us all together. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe, we also delve deeper into understanding ourselves. Now imagine all that happening in just 1 second. In the blink of an eye, the universe expands by thousands of miles. Stars ignite in the distant cosmos while others extinguish their last light, becoming stunning supernovae or dense black holes. Galaxies collide and merge, creating breathtaking cosmic displays. Every second, the universe's clock ticks, marking countless cosmic events. These celestial happenings, although seemingly distant, are part of our cosmic neighborhood. They shape the universe we inhabit, from the very large to the very small. They influence the galaxies, stars, planets, and even the atoms that make up our world and us. Each second, the universe isn't just aging, it's evolving, changing, and creating. It's a constant dance of creation and destruction, birth and death, chaos and order. Every second matters, not just on our watches, but in the grand clock of the universe. As we move forward, let's remember that we are a tiny part of this vast, ever-changing cosmos.